Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is talk to you about a new neural filter that they have implemented into Adobe Photoshop. Around October time of every year, what Adobe do is release new tricks and tools that we can use within our softwares, and obviously Photoshop is no different. And one of the things they've implemented is a neural filter called photo restoration. As you can see here, the image in front of us, we've got a very sort of worn, scratched, old-looking image, and I want to restore it. Okay, and I'm going to use the AI system within Adobe Photoshop to use it. Okay, and then restore it. So make sure you have the layer highlighted. And first of all, what I'd recommend you to do is to convert the image into a smart object. If you right click on the layer, you have the option here to convert to a smart object. You know this is a smart object when you see this little icon on the layer thumbnail. And with that layer highlighted, I'm now going to come to Filter, Neural Filters. Now we've looked at neural filters in the past in previous videos, but the one I would like to focus on today is a new one that they've introduced called Photo Restoration. So let me turn that on. Now, I pre-warn you guys, this may take a little bit of time for your computer to work out and to solve and to apply, but just stick with it. The good term, Rome wasn't built in a day, obviously applies. Now, as you can see, just a little bit better now, but we want to adjust it a little bit more. So I want to get rid of these scratches in the middle here. So I'm just going to take this scratch reduction and bring this up. Yet again, or any sort of changes, anything that we implement may take couple seconds for Photoshop to work out. They've got given us a little time, a timer here. But yeah, stick with it, guys. Okay, it's going to take you a few sort of seconds for it to work it out, but as always, the results are very, very impressive. Nearly there. 1 second to go, as it tells me. Wonderful. Now you can see those scratches have been removed. Fantastic. We can open up these adjustments here. We can affect the noise reduction, color noise reduction, not many colors on this at the moment, half tone artifact reduction, JPEG artifact reduction, really cool options that you can use. May give this a sort of enhance the face a little bit and do a sort of a more of a photo enhancement on that. Yeah, again, this may take a couple of seconds for it to work it out, but as you can see, the results are now becoming quite clear. What you need to do is make sure of your output settings here. I'm just going to make sure it's on a new layer. You can edit it and change it. You can have a new layer mask, smart filter, new document. I'm going to say new layer. And now if we press OK, what I'd like to do now is to compare the both imagery. So we have our one here. The results are pretty impressive. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. And also there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, guys. So make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.